Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we are going to see the Python operators program in the GeeksForGeeks tutorial. Before getting into the video, subscribe my channel for more videos. And now, let's read what is the question. Given three positive integers a, b and c, your task is to perform some bitwise operations on them as given below. The first one and the second one is XOR operation. And the third one we have the bitwise AND. In the fourth one we have bitwise OR and XOR, and in the fifth one we have the NOT operation. I have already uploaded the video for the working of bitwise operators. Please check it out. And now let's get into the code. So here we already have three variables, that is the input variables a, b and c, and here we have the output variables, that is d, e, f and g. So the first operation is XOR operation. So it is D is equal to A XOR A, and the next one is again an XOR operation, that is C XOR B, and the next one is bitwise AND. So here we have A and B. And the next one is, first we have the bitwise OR operation, that is C bitwise OR, and now we have the XOR operation, that is A XOR A. And the final one is E, which is not E. Now let's check the output. I'm compiling and running this code. So this test case got cleared. Now let's submit this code. So here all the test cases got cleared. I hope this video was helpful to you. Subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos, and if you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.